Hello everyone, this is Iksha Sharma and here we are discussing about WhatsApp sues Indian government over the new policy rule. WhatsApp has filed a lawsuit in Delhi against Indian government seeking to block regulation coming into force on Wednesday. The case asks the High Court to declare that one of the IT rule is a violation of privacy policy right in Indian constitution since it requires social media company to identify first originator of the information when authorities demand it. The WhatsApp lawsuit states a growing struggle between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and tech giants including Facebook, Google parent, and Twitter in one of their key global growth markets. Tensions rose after policy visited Twitter's office this week. The microblogging service had labeled posts by a spokesman of Indian dominant party and other as containing manipulated media, saying forced content was included. New Delhi has also pressed tech companies to remove what it has described as misinformation on the COVID 19 pandemic ravaging India, and some criticism of the government's response to the criticized, which is claiming thousands of lives daily. While the new laws only requires WhatsApp, which has half a billion users in India, to unmask people credibly accused of wrongdoing, it says it cannot in practice do that alone. WhatsApp says that because messages are encrypted end to end, it would have to break encryption for receivers of messages as well as the originators to compile with the new law. Requiring, requiring messages app to trace chats is the equivalent of asking us to keep a fingerprint of every single message sent on WhatsApp, which would break end to end encryption and fundamentally undermines people's right to privacy. WhatsApp said in a statement when asked to comment a lawsuit. A government official said WhatsApp could find a way to track originators of disinformation, a long standing stance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's administrations, and that the US company was not being asked to break encryption. WhatsApp said it would continue to engage with the government. Its Indian operations were continuing to operate as normal on Wednesday. India's technology minister did not respond to the request for comment. The lawsuit also comes at the time many Indians have begun using rival messaging apps such as Signal and Telegram after WhatsApp introduced a new privacy policy earlier this year, which allows it to share some data with Facebook and other group of firms. While Signal and Telegram downloads have surged in India, neither app commands as massive a user base as WhatsApp. They have yet to comment on India's demand of traceability. The response to the companies to the new rule has been a subject of intense speculation since they were unveiled in February, 90 days before they were due to come into force.